Hi, this is Keel's Garage. Welcome to our YouTube channel. Today, we unveil the top-performing brake pads, specifically tailored for the Subaru Outback. Discover the ultimate stopping power and safety for your adventure-driven ride. Let's dive in. Automobile dashing away. Number 1. Raybestos brake pads. Unleash your Subaru Outback's braking power. Rocket upgrade your truck with these high-performance brake pads engineered by Raybestos. The perfect fit for your Subaru Outback, these pads deliver unrivaled stopping strength and reliability. Experience a smoother, quieter ride with the utmost confidence in your vehicle's braking capabilities. Tackle any road or terrain with ease, knowing Raybestos has your back. Elevate your driving experience today with Raybestos brake pads and feel the difference. Number 2. Bosch BC929 brake pads. Unleash your Subaru Outback's braking power. Articulated lorry dashing away, these truck brake pads are the ultimate upgrade for any Subaru Outback owner. Experience unparalleled stopping performance and reliability with Bosch's cutting-edge technology. Say goodbye to brake fade and embrace smooth, confident stops on any road surface. Whether you're hauling heavy loads or cruising through winding trails, these pads have got your back. Enhance your driving experience with Bosch brake pads today. Glowing star. Number 3. Bendix brake pads. Unleash your Subaru Outback's braking power. Articulated lorry dashing away. Revolutionize your driving experience with Bendix's top-notch truck brake pads, tailor-made for Subaru Outback owners like you. Say goodbye to worries about sudden stops and embrace the ultimate braking confidence. These pads deliver unparalleled performance, durability, and safety, ensuring you can navigate any terrain with ease. Upgrade your ride today and let Bendix elevate your adventures to a whole new level. Number 4. PowerStop Z23-1808 brake pads. Unleash your Subaru Outback's braking power. Collision with these performance-enhancing pads, the difference is crystal clear. Smooth stops, responsive control, and remarkable durability make every drive an adventure. Upgrade your truck's braking game with PowerStop's precision-engineered brake pads. Your Subaru Outback deserves the best, and these pads deliver, ensuring safety and excitement with each press of the pedal. Don't settle for less. Embrace the power of PowerStop today. Automobile fire. Number 5. Wagner's superior brake pads are an absolute game-changer for Subaru Outback owners. Unmatched stopping power meets unparalleled durability, making every drive a breeze. With these pads, worry fades away on the roads. Expect smooth and precise braking, elevating safety to new heights. Say goodbye to squeals and judders. My Subaru Outback never felt this confident before. Wagner brake pads, the perfect match for your adventurous journeys. Revitalize your driving experience today. In conclusion, after thorough research and testing, we've presented the top contenders for the best brake pads for your Subaru Outback. The ideal choice ultimately depends on your specific driving needs and budget. Whether it's improved performance, longevity, or budget friendliness you seek, there's a brake pad that suits your requirements. Thanks for watching, and we hope this guide helps you make an informed decision for a safer and smoother driving experience.